Is your Kia Telluride infotainment screen going black whenever you plug in Apple CarPlay? Data shows that 80% of these connectivity issues are simple software glitches that you can fix at home. Let us break down the steps to restore your connection. Start with a hard reset of the unit, then swap your cable and repair your phone from scratch. Often, the culprit is an outdated iOS version or a corrupted cache in the Kia infotainment system. If that fails, check Kia's portal for firmware updates or try toggling your phone's privacy and Siri settings. Try these home fixes first, because a dealer visit is only necessary if the hardware port itself has failed. As you can see, bad cables account for the vast majority of black screen complaints. Always keep your engine running during firmware updates to prevent the system from losing power mid-install. Keep a high-quality cable and a flash drive in your glove box to handle these updates quickly. If the screen stays black even after a master reset, consult your local dealer for a warranty claim on the head unit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Telluride troubleshooting tips.